Hey guys, so I've got a iPhone 12 Pro this year. You can check out the unboxing of that on my channel. And I've also got the iPhone 12 Pro silicone case with MagSafe. So this is the whole new line of cases for the 12s. It has a circular set of magnets on the back of the iPhone 12 Pro, and the case also has a circular set of magnets so that the case magnetizes to the iPhone 12, and then the new mag charger will magnetize to the back of the silicone case as well. So I normally use the leather cases, but the leather cases aren't available yet, so I've opted to try out the black silicone, and I'll probably get a leather one further down the track when they're available to order. I think they're available around the same time when the Pro Max comes out. So yeah, we'll have a look at the silicone case here. This is $79 in Australia. It's just simply says iPhone 12 Pro silicone case. So there's not much to it. We'll get it out. However, we got a little Apple rip thing at the back here. If I can get that, there we go. So let's get this out. Now these are a little bit bigger than last year's model, going from a 5.8 to a 6.1, and that's different. I haven't seen Apple have a little plastic sleeve over their cases before to protect them, so that's nice. We'll get that out. And obviously the new square design like the iPhone 5s used to be. So you can see just there, that's the circle, that's where the magnets will be underneath. And it's very, very soft, like very similar to the iPhone 11 series silicone. I think Apple silicone cases have been pretty much the same for quite a while now. It's got a nice microfiber lining, camera cutout, and it actually has this year, which it didn't have last year I don't think, a solid piece of plastic just around the camera bump there to protect the cameras in, and it's just proud of the silicone as well. So see how that'll go. It's got your normal port holes there for your lightning and for your speaker and microphone. It's got the volume up, volume down, and silent cutout. They do feel a little bit, I don't know if you can see in there, they feel a little bit better this year, the tactile feel of that button. So it's actually going to rest right against the stainless side of the 12 Pro onto the button by the looks of it. Whereas I think the last ones were not that soft just there, and they're a little bit harder to push, which was one of my things I didn't really like about the old silicone case. So yeah, I'll give that a go and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.